A symposium focusing on the progress of the human rights cause in countries participating in the Belt and Road Initiative cooperation was held in Geneva on Tuesday. At the symposium, human rights experts and scholars from China and other countries exchanged their views on the contributions of the BRI cooperation to global development and human rights progress.
为共建国家发展注入强心动力，并创造众多工作岗位，帮助成千上万的民众摆脱贫困，有利于推动解决发展失衡、治理困境、数字鸿沟、分配差距等问题，让更多的国家和民众共享发展成果，更好地保护和促进人权。
I get every year more than 100 people, students from more than 90 countries, in my school. They are all from Belt and Road countries. So they get better educated. They get new job opportunities, get well educated. Their income has been increased. Poverty, has been reduced. Okay, so this is directly relating to the human rights.
The BRI has provided a file example in practice for the progress of the world's human rights cause, namely promoting development through cooperation and promoting human rights through development.